Hello, little Christmas enthusiasts. Welcome to our special Christmas drawing adventure. Today, we're going to do something fun. We're going to pick up our Christmas tree. This will be the second drawing in our Christmas series. So, let's dive in. Today, we're picking up a Christmas tree, so we need a truck or a car, and we'll begin by drawing two wheels. First, two circles, and we'll draw a line in between. Watch how I'm doing it carefully and try to do it slowly so that you don't have to rub it, because rubbing it will make it look not very nice. This is the rear bumper. This will be the front bumper. We are looking at it from the side. Now we'll start putting the body. We'll take a center there, both tires. We'll put dots so that it will be easier for us to join it. So here again, putting dots will make it easier for you to join the lines. It doesn't have to be a straight line. So now we are putting the rear of the car. Now we are joining it to the bumper. Okay, like this. I will join the two dots. See. Now we'll put the windows, so we'll put dots first, so it will be easier for you to draw the lines. In middle it will be a little bit bigger because two parts of the door is going to come. Now yes, so putting dots make it easier to join the lines. So it doesn't have to be a straight line. You can slowly do it with your free hand, and that's perfect. You don't have to use scale. See? Another two dots. Now this will be the handle of the door. I will put a carrier above the car. Watch carefully how I'm doing it. I'm doing it slowly so that I don't make mistakes. So before drawing it, you wait for a little bit and think and do it. Now we're going to draw the Christmas tree, so it will be easier if you rotate the paper like this, and it will look like when you put it in the landscape again, it will look like the tree is on top of the car, but here now in this position it will look like you're drawing a straight Christmas tree. Okay, we'll think of the size of the tree. This will be the stump of the tree. Now we'll put the body of the tree. It can be any shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. It should just look like a Christmas tree, that's all. It's up to you. See, it's starting to look like a Christmas tree. There is no rule in drawing Christmas tree. Every Christmas tree can be different since every tree in the world is different. Now we'll start coloring. I'm coloring the car red, but you can color it any other color that you like. It could be orange, it could be blue, black, green, whatever color you like. I'm choosing red because red pops out really well and it looks nice and it matches with the Christmas theme. Now the tire, it's gray on the outer circle. The circle of the tire, it doesn't have to be perfect circle, so freehand practice it 1-2 times in rough paper and then you draw it on the clean paper that is going to be your final drawing. It's easy. You will just need to practice 2-3 times. Now the middle part is a little dark. We'll make it more darker when we draw the borders. Now for coloring trees, every tree, they don't have a single color, so I will be starting with the light one. There will be layers of color, so now I'm choosing a little bit darker. So now this is the second layer, so it's easier like this. So since the pine tree, they point out generally downwards, so it's better you keep the pattern of the leaves. I'm using another shade of green to give it a different kind of shade. Now I'm darkening the tires. The one is black. You can always slow it down going to the playback speed. I am speeding this up because it will be too long otherwise. Now the window shield is blue. The stem is brown. Now another shade of green. Now I'm putting the borders with a marker. This will make it look more crisp and clean, and it's always nice to have a border. This is the fun part. I really enjoy putting the borders because it makes the drawing pop out. Okay, now our car and the tree is done, but it looks like something is missing, so we'll put some background scenery here, some clouds. Okay, cloud can be any shape. This is my shape. You can put your shape. It can be any shape. Another cloud here. And sun is going to peek out from the cloud. Yes, there. The sun is there. Now we'll start coloring. Okay, the sun is yellow, we all know, but it will not be just yellow. We'll just slightly color the sky blue. Lightly, we'll do it lightly first. I'm doing it very lightly so it's not clearly visible here, but it will be in the end, trust me. So when you look at the sky, you will see that the sky above is a little bit darker and the sky little bit at the horizon it's little bit lighter or white. So we will be doing exactly that. So the top sky will be darker and the bottom one will be lighter, the horizon. Now we're adding some orange to the sun, then it will be more realistic. Okay, our sun is done. Now we'll continue with the cloud. We'll putting some light blue borders to the cloud so that it matches with the sky. Putting borders to the cloud. It's always fun to put the borders. Some sun rays. Now the more tedious part, but this will make it look more nice. So this will be dark. The top of the sky is darker. You have to be patient because we cannot skip out all these things, otherwise it will be too plain. If we want our drawing to be special, we need to do all the hard work. Now we are using a lighter color of light blue, so this will be coming near to the horizon. The crown comes here. The road is going to be brown since we are going to a mountainous trail and we are collecting the tree directly from the mountain, so it will be brown. And here also we are going to be using 2-3 shades of brown and black, mixing them together to make it look more realistic. Single color will not make it look nice. First with the base. Putting a base is always useful because it will make it easier to fill up later. And even if some spots are left out, the base will cover it up. A darker shade. Another shade of brown. We are making the ground below the car a little bit darker because it will create some kind of shadow, and the sun is coming from the other side, so it will leave some kind of shadow there. So we'll make it a little darker here. You have to always observe where the light is coming. Opposite to the light will leave some shadow. Now I'm using some black to make it more darker. The picture is becoming very nice. See, the road is looking nice too. Now making the sky a little bit more blue. If you want to make your drawing look nice, then you have to pay attention to all these small details. So this is the second drawing of our Christmas series. We have got our Christmas tree. So in next video we will be decorating the Christmas tree. So please join us. It is always fun to decorate your Christmas tree with friends. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Bye bye everyone.